to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. In today's video, guys, we are doing a pantry decluttering video. You guys, I have not organized this pantry. I haven't done anything to this pantry. I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys because I am in a transitional living situation right now. So today we're going to go ahead and declutter, get all these items out here that don't belong, and get rid of the items that I haven't used in quite some time. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. All right, you guys, here we go. We're going to open this atrocious pantry. Here we go. Oh my goodness. It is such a mixture of stuff in this pantry, guys. Stuff that does not belong. Stuff I have not used. So we're going to go from shelf to shelf, and I'm just going to pull out all this stuff and be like, okay, am I going to use this? Am I going to keep this? I think a lot of it's just really become a storage space. It's not really been used for what it's supposed to be used for, and that's being my pantry. So we're going to go ahead and just start taking some of these things out, seeing what's in here, what I don't want, and what I'm not going to keep. So I'm going to start with the very top shelf up here. Oopsies. Okay, are you guys like me? Like, I keep so many different plastic bags. So you know what? I'm just going to put these to the side because I know I'm going to have more. Tape in here. This doesn't go in here. It needs to be in my laundry room where I have all the other stuff. Some scented candles. They definitely don't belong in here. Now, you know, you guys, I'm adamant. I'm like, I have the biggest rule. Like, if I haven't used it, then I don't need it. You know, I'm really, really adamant. Even though these are these containers need to be wiped out, and they're not in bad condition. So after I get through the decluttering, I'm gonna put these to the side, and after I get through the decluttering, I'm gonna see if I'm gonna use them. But I've got some new things, so it's just like I don't know if I'm gonna keep them, but they are white, and I am on my white thing, so we'll see about that. All right, this does not belong in here. These are chargers and plug-ins and stuff like that. I normally keep these things in my laundry room. Because where I am now, I have like storage space where I can like store these type of things. So this definitely doesn't belong in there. So we're taking those out. And then we have these light bulbs. You know what? I need to use these. Yeah, I bought these. First of all, let's see what's in here. Because these things are expensive. These are the LED bulbs. And it's 2 in here. I need to use these, see if I can use these bulbs. So seriously, but here nor there, these don't belong in there, okay? They do not belong in here. I gotta find this a new home. They do not belong in there. And just tell me, is it me, you guys? I feel like the pantry is for food, canned goods, dry goods, and stuff like this. But what I've been using it for is pretty much just a catch-all. Whole thing of Ajax, I didn't even know I had. Probably purchased this, I don't know when I purchased it, didn't even know I had that. Some more light bulbs. Here are the Dollar brand quick erasers. It's just like another product you can use instead of getting the Mr. King. You can use those. Whole brand new box. Didn't even know it was in here. I'm telling you, here go another pack, and I have one here. That's 3. Some car fresheners. Let me just put these light bulbs over here. I'm trying to keep everything together so when I do pick it up, then I'll be able to put it where it belongs. Okay, and so this is a candle that I purchased from my sister. I'm gonna keep this. It doesn't need to go in there. This doesn't need to be in here. All right, another container. I may or may not keep. I'm not sure about, you guys. Moving on to the second shelf. All these bags for days. That's bad, y'all. Come on now. This is ridiculous. I'm only going to keep a few of these bags. I'm not keeping all these bags. It's too many bags. It's bags, 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 bags. All right, let's see what we have in here. Now, this is of very value. These are the measuring cups. I'm keeping these. These are the measuring cups. And what I will probably do is use one of those containers to keep them stored in. And the only reason why I had these, you see these red mirrors? These are the ones that I had in my old place. I'm just not in that theme or state of mind. So I'm probably going to end up getting rid of these. What else? Oatmeal. Several packs of oatmeal. Oh, it's a lot of packs of oatmeal. Definitely keeping that. It's food. And let me just put these bags on the floor because I am not keeping all those bags. Oatmeal. We got granola bars. Here's another container that I had in my old spot where I was using these. I have not used them, you guys. They have been sitting up here for quite some time. I don't even know if I'm gonna keep them. But what's in here is noodles, more noodles, crackers, more granola bar. Put that over there. And then more trash bags. Look at this. Oh, these are snacks. Backed up snacks. Okay, here's another container for canned good items. Now stuff like this belongs in there. It just needs a whole lot. It needs to be organized. So take the canned goods out. Alright. So hot cocoa. Alright, here's another. Pull these out. Alright. This one, a whole bunch of snickety snacks next. I'm gonna take out of here. Because like I said, you guys, I'm really trying to get it as organized as I can. It's tea in here. It's oatmeal in here. Some rice in here. Y'all, it's a mess. It is a mess. It's such a mess. I'm just trying to, right now, I'm just trying to take the food and put it on here because I have more counter space. And so, yeah. Another container. Oh, gosh. Y'all, this is ridiculous. This is so sad, y'all. All right, moving right along. Trash bag, save the trees. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. These are some. I did a DIY on a fruit. It's over there. A fruit basket. I don't know, but these are some good containers too, you guys. These are really good. I'm probably definitely gonna keep those. More bags. I got more bags here more than anything. Some more canned goods. Oh, Lord, help me. More bags. Cleaning stuff. Yeah, I can't believe all the stuff came out here. This is crazy, y'all. Crazy. More cleaning stuff. Whew. All right. Another container. Looks like some spinach. I think this is some. Oh yeah. Probably get rid of that. I don't even use it. Y'all, this is so sad. Trash can. I think that's my daughter's trash can. And there's a whole thing of Clorox from here that she brought from school. So let's just do a panel view so you guys can see what the heck is going on. So you can pause it. Okay, y'all, this is what came out of my pantry. Oh my God. This is so embarrassing. But you know, this is the real life. This is the real world. Look at that, y'all. Look at all the bags. Like, this is so unreal, y'all. This is unreal. Completely. All right, you guys. As you can see, we have completely decluttered my pantry, my kitchen pantry. I'm excited that it's decluttered, so now I got to clean up all of this stuff, and then I got to go ahead and organize it. So stay tuned for part 2 of that video as I organize everything, put it back in its place so you guys can see how it turns up. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.